Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in today. So I'm just putting this little video out to give you guys a bit of a heads up about a video I'm putting out on Sunday night. You know, I love making these videos. I love hearing from you guys all the time about what you love about Lancaster. So I wanted to do some sort of interactive event, I guess you could say. And so you can make a video and make it a premiere. And so premiere basically means it's kind of like a live chat while you're watching a video that has already been pre-made. So even though it's not a live stream, I'll be on the chat and we can talk during the chat. And the video is kind of like a playoff of Where in the World is Carmen Sandiego? But it's more like where in the world are we in Lancaster? So I have 7 scenes that are going to be like a guessing game for you guys to try to figure out where they are. Just thought I'd try something new and fun just to kind of have some fun interactions with you all and look at Lancaster as we all miss it when we can't be there. It'll be this Sunday, April 2nd at about 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time or 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, depending on where you are. And hopefully you'll be there. We'll just have some fun chats in the premiere and see if you can guess all the places. And I bet most of you are going to get them all right. At least you people who are like me are a little bit obsessed with Lancaster. So hopefully it'll be a fun time. Thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you there.